Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Evaluate yourself 7.3. A metal complex having COEN twice Cl2Br has been isolated in two forms A and B. B reacted with silver nitrate to give a white precipitate readily soluble in ammonium hydroxide, whereas A gives a pale yellow precipitate. Write the formula of A and B. State the hybridization of cobalt in each and calculate their spin only magnetic moment. Reaction with silver nitrate. Generally, chloride salt gives white precipitate due to the formation of silver chloride, and Br minus gives pale yellow precipitate with the silver nitrate. So from that we can write the actual molecular formula of this metal complex. Now I write the qualitative equation to confirm the Cl minus ion and Br minus ion. First, a chloride salt NaCl when treated with silver nitrate AgNO3 sodium chloride NaCl on ionization gives Na plus and Cl minus. AgNO3 undergo ionization gives Ag plus and NO3 minus gives. We know this Ag plus combine with the Cl minus form AgCl. This is your Kurdi white precipitate. Plus NO3 Na plus combine with the NO3 minus form NaNO3. A bromide salt NaBr when treated with AgNO3 silver nitrate gives sodium chloride, sodium bromide undergo ionization gives Na plus Br minus Ag plus NO3 minus. Ag plus combine with the Br minus form AgBr silver bromide AgBr and Na plus combine with the NO3 minus form NaNO3. Silver bromide is pale yellow precipitate. But knowing these two reactions, now we can write the given complex COEN twice Cl2Br. This is the given complex. With the molecular formula, complex B when treated with silver nitrate solution AgNO3 solution gives white precipitate. The formation of white precipitate indicate that in the given complex one chlorine is present outside of the complex as counter ion, and compound A When treated with silver nitrate solution, it gives a pale yellow precipitate. The formation of pale yellow precipitate indicate that AgBr is formed. So in the complex A, 1 Br minus is present outside of the complex as counter ion. Now write the molecular formula of AA. A is Br is outside of the complex A, cobalt En twice Cl2. Ethylene diamine is a neutral ligand, charge equal to 0, 1 chlorine 1 minus, 2 chlorine 2 minus. Therefore, charge on the complex is +1. That cationic complex is neutralized by one anion. That anion is Br -1. That one is here, this one is there. The IUPAC name of the compound A is, the IUPAC name of compound A is 2 chlorine atom, 2 ethane, 1,2 diamine. Therefore, starting with dichlorido, pice, ethane, 1,2 diamine, ethane 1,2 diamine, cobalt cationic complex. Therefore, cobalt oxidation state 3 in Roman numerals. Br is outside of the complex. Bromide. So compound B molecular formula we are going to write. The compound B gives white precipitate with silver nitrate solution. Therefore, compound B is 1 chlorine is present outside of the complex. Cobalt central metal ion, En twice, 1 chlorine, 1 bromine and 1 Cl is outside of the complex. This Cl undergo reaction with AgNO3 gives you white precipitate. Only 1 mole of silver nitrate is formed. Therefore, 1 chlorine present outside of the complex. The IUPAC name of this compound is bromido. According to alphabets, we have to write bromido, then chlorido, pis, ethane, 1,2 diamine, ethane 1,2 diamine, central metal ion, cobalt, oxidation state 3 and 1 chlorine outside of the complex, that is given as chloride. Then one more question is asked. One is, what is the hybridization and geometry of the first complex? Hybridization and geometry of the second complex. Here ethane 1,2 diamine is present. That is a strong field ligand. Therefore, strong field ligand paired all the unpaired electron present in cobalt 3+ ion. Now I write the electronic configuration of cobalt 3+ and hybridization geometry of the complex given. So this is compound A. Cobalt is the central metal ion, atomic number 27, electronic configuration argon, atomic number 18, 20, 27. Cobalt is in 3+ oxidation state, that indicate loss of 3 electron, removal of 2 electron from s orbital and 1 electron from 3d orbital, 3d6a, 4s0. In box form, when you write the electronic configuration, 3d orbital has 5 orientation. What are they? 3dxy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared, and 4s orbital. 3d has 5 orientation. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill the electron, 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron. This is cobalt 3 plus. Now we have to write nature of ligand. Here we have ethane 1,2 diamine is a strong field ligand. Is a strong field ligand. Therefore, it pairs all unpaired electron. Therefore, it pairs all unpaired electrons, all single electron. It pairs all unpaired electrons. Now, after pairing, this one electron is paired up, this another electron is paired up. After pairing, the electronic configuration of cobalt 3 plus is electronic configuration of cobalt 3 plus is 3dxy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. Next one is 4s. This is 3d and that one is 4s. 3d and 4s. How many electron after pairing? 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, totally 6 electron. Vacant electron started from the 3d orbital. Now, we have to write the ligand coordination number of, what is meant by coordination number? The number of bonds formed between central metal ion and ligand. Coordination number of CO3 plus is equal to 6 octahedral complexes. Therefore, the central metal ion provide 6 vacant orbital to the ligand. Coordination number 6, according to VPT, the central metal ion provide the vacant orbital equal to its coordination number. But now it has only 3 vacant orbital. 3d orbital and 4s orbital, 4p orbital, 3dxy, 3d yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, 4px, 4py. How many orbitals? After the paired electron in 3d orbital, 3d, 4s, this is 4px, 4py, 4pz. Here 2 electron, here 2 electron, here 2 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orbitals are over. In these 6 vacant orbital, ethylene diamine started to donate a pair of electron. We know one ethylene diamine share 2 pair of electron. Another ethylene diamine share 2 pair of electron. And we have 2 monodentate Cl minus ion. Now they donate a pair of electron. One ethylene diamine donate 2 pair of electron. What is a hybridization in this complex? Starting from d orbital, then ending with 4p orbital. How many orbitals are involved in hybridization? In d, we have 2 d orbital, d2, 1s and 3p orbital, d2 sp3 hybridization. If the hybridization is d2 sp3, it is octahedral complexes. If the complex is octahedral, we have to indicate one more point, whether inner orbitals are involved or outer orbitals are involved. Here 3d orbitals are involved. So, inner d orbitals are involved in hybridization. Therefore, this complex is called inner orbital complex. This complex is called inner orbital complex, or also called low spin complex, also called low spin complex, or also called spin paired complex, spin paired complex, spin paired complex, spin paired complex, because inner d orbitals are involved. Now we have to write the magnetic properties. For that, calculate number of unpaired electrons, number of unpaired electrons, n value. Number of unpaired electrons equal to 0. There is no unpaired electron in the complex. Therefore, the complex is diamagnetic in nature. The complex is diamagnetic in nature. From the number of unpaired electron, we can calculate, from number of unpaired electron, we can calculate magnetic moment. Magnetic moment mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton, that is equal to root of 0 into 0 plus 2 equal to 0 Bohr magneton. Now we have to draw the structure of the complex A. In our complex A, octahedral complex, cobalt is the central metal ion which is present at the center of the complex. Square planar, first we have to draw the square, then 4 corners, 4 ligands are present, 1, 2, 3, 4, above the plane, below the plane. We can write cis form or also transform with ethane 1,2 diamine. Now I write the cis form. 2 chlorine atoms occupy 1, 2 position. Ethylene diamine is simply denoted as NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2, and here 1 NH2, 1 NH2, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2, another ethylene diamine. Br minus is present outside of the complex. This is your octahedral complex of dichlorido, pis, ethane 1,2 diamine, cobalt 3 bromide, cobalt 3 bromide. Now this is another compound, COEN twice, ClBrCl. This is compound B. Bromido, chlorido, pis, ethane 1,2 diamine, cobalt 3 chloride. Central metal ion cobalt, atomic number 27, electronic configuration, argon 18, 20, 27. Cobalt 3 plus ion indicate loss of 3 electron. 2 electrons are removed from s orbital, and remaining 1 electron is removed from d orbital. In box form, when we write the electronic configuration, d orbital has 5 orientation, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared, and one more 4s orbital we have. This is 3d orbital and 4s orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, nature of the ligand, we have to write one of the strong field ligand is present. En is a strong field ligand. We know the nature of strong field ligand. A strong field ligand pairs all unpaired electron, pairs all unpaired electrons. It pairs all unpaired electron. Now, after pairing, this electron is paired up with this unpaired electron, paired up with this unpaired electron. After pairing, the box form electronic configuration is d orbital has 5 orientation: dxy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, and 4s orbital, 3d 4s, 3d 5 orientation, and we have 4s orbital, 2 electron in the first orbital, another 2 electron, another 2 electron. Now, the coordination number of cobalt 3 plus is 6. What is meant by coordination number? Coordination number is number of chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and ligand is called coordination number. Coordination number of CO3 plus is 6. Therefore, the central metal ion provide 6 vacant orbital equal to its coordination number. 6 vacant orbital equal to its coordination number. 3d orbital has 5 orientation. This one is 4s orbital, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4p orbital has 3 orientation: 4px, 4py, 4pz. This one is 3d orbital, 4s orbital, 4p orbital. Already we have 6 electron in the first 3 orbital. Vacant orbitals are 6. In this vacant orbital, ligands donate pair of electron. Ethane 1,2 diamine, it is a bidentate ligand. Therefore, it donate one ligand donate 2 pair of electron. Another ligand donate 2 pair of electron. Here you have one monodentate Cl, monodentate Br. It donate a pair of electron and another pair of electron. Now, vacant orbital start from 3d, 4s and 4p. Vacant orbital start from 3d, 4s and 4p. What is hybridization? D2, S, P3 hybridization. If the hybridization is D2sp3, the geometry is octahedral geometry. Here, which orbitals are involved in hybridization? Inner d orbital involved in hybridization. Inner d orbitals are involved in hybridization, mixing of orbital, hybridization. Therefore, this complex is called inner orbital complex. This complex is called inner orbital complex, or also called low spin complex. Low spin complex, or also called spin paired complex. Spin paired complex. Now, we have to write the magnetic properties. There is no unpaired electron in the given complex. Number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electrons. N value is equal to 0. Number of unpaired electron, N value equal to 0. If there is no unpaired electron, the molecule is dion magnetic in nature. The molecule is diamagnetic in nature. From the number of unpaired electron, we can calculate magnetic moment. We can calculate magnetic moment mu s value. Magnetic moment, spin only magnetic moment equal to n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. N equal to 0. Therefore, magnetic moment is also 0 Bohr magneton. When we draw the structure, it is octahedral structure. Central metal ion, cobalt 3 plus ion. First we have to draw the square. And in the square, the corner position occupied by ligand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 ethylene diamine. Simply we can draw the structure of ethylene diamine. Chlorine and Br occupy this is position 1, 2 position. Nitrogen is the donor atom. NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Here also nitrogen is the donor atom. NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Complex, and outside of the complex one Cl minus ion present. This Cl minus ion produce white precipitate when treated with AgNO3. So this is evaluate yourself 7-3. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.